And then what about gold, Max?
What about gold? Okay, there's this quote unquote rush into the gold right now because everybody's thinking that the dollar is going to crash. The opposite is totally the opposite. Gold gets weaker every time the stock market is getting weaker because the dollar is getting stronger. So I'm bearish on the gold, I'm bearish on the silver, I'm bearish on the euro, I'm bearish on the pound, and I'm long on the US dollars. And why? Because as I stated just a minute ago, when the market is getting weaker, the yen and the dollar are the key factor to going up. And I can share the chart and I can show you what basically.
Yeah, you go ahead. I think you can do it.
Okay, so let me see. I don't know if you're able to see my chart. Okay, this is the WTI. I was doing some technical analysis, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the euro. Everybody sees the chart?
Yeah.
All right. So I went over with Angelo, basically a couple of months ago about the euro. This is the euro on a monthly, okay? So you're able to see the monthly chart. And right here, you're able to see the dollar index on a monthly chart, okay? So as you can see, the dollar, it's on an uptrend, okay? So it's basically an A, B, C, and almost D, but couldn't make it. So basically retrace on these channels and formed just about last month, basically the month of September, a beautiful engulfing bullish candle. If you're not familiar with engulfing bullish candle, I'll let you go to this Investopedia and you're gonna see what the bullish engulfing candle looks like. So as you can see, it's a beautiful candle. And you can see explained basically it's a reversal pattern and it's the same that we have right now at the moment in the month of September. This candle just closed 2 days ago. As you can see, we are in a process to finally get the dollar up. So if this is gonna go up, let's go check the dollar, the euro. Well, the euro does completely opposite. It formed just about last month an engulfing bearish candle. Right on the line, on the monthly, as you can see, it formed this a beautiful engulfing bearish candle. So the euro finally, it's about to go down. Where is it gonna go? Well, very simple. It's going to retest this level, but eventually it's going to test this bottom. Now, why? I do believe that this basically market is gonna test the bottom right here, because if I'm gonna measure the same things I did right here, the euro is very repetitive. What we're gonna call those are the psychological momentum that I was just explaining to you. People are doing the same thing. So it happened back in 2013. It's happened almost in 2009 and almost in 2007. Those are the psychological, we call them the heartbeat of the market. And it's interesting because, look, it's the same length of this, it's the same length of this, it's the same length of this. So I'm expecting the same length right here. And guess where we're gonna go? We're gonna go right here at the bottom with the support of when the euro basically were born back in 2001. Is it impressive?
Yeah, it's really impressive.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, translate that.
You can use my mouse. I don't know if you can use my mouse. I don't know if you can do that. But,
no, I don't think I can. No, I'd have to jump on TeamViewer.
But you understand the psychological factor is involved on those movements. And now we know where we're going. And on top of that, the market speaks The market talks. I don't care what happened in the world. This is an engulfing bearish candle. On the dollar index, same old story. Engulfing bullish candle. We're about to take out this top right here. Same momentum. Look, I'm gonna draw here from here to here. Just a stupid line, okay?
Okay.
Same thing right here. Same thing right here. You see that? Almost.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the same momentum, same momentum, same momentum. And that's where we're going. This is the psychological level. This is what people do not realize that. And then on top of that, I can throw something even better just to convince myself, okay, am I doing the right thing or not? If this is where we're going or not. So I'm gonna delete this. So watch this, okay? So we are on, let me see, the dollar index. Hold on a second. Let me see, I don't know how to get this one, okay. All right, so as you can see right here, the market, I don't know if you're able to see it because I got the screen here. Can you see the screen?
Fib levels?
The fib levels, yes.
Yeah.
All right, so the fib levels, you can see what happened with the euro dollar. I'm sorry, this is the wrong chart. I'm sorry, this is the wrong fib level. Pardon. Because we are A, B, C, D. There you go. Sorry. All right, so hold on a second, okay? Okay, so we are on a downtrend, as you can see. So this is my A, this is my B, right on the bottom. Can you see that? This is my C, which is happened to be right at 61.8 of the main retracement. Can you see that?
Yeah. Got
Can you
it.
see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically A, B, C, which is this one right here, and the D. What is the D? Well, the D, it's right up here. Okay? So basically, this is where we're going right now. This is the euro dollar. On the opposite, we have the same thing right here. We have an A B, a C, and now we're going to D. If I take a Fibonacci, this is an uptrend. I do A, B, look, right at 61.80, the market started pulling out. It went back again, retest this level of this line of uptrend or channel, and now is able to get a D. You see?
Yeah, perfect.
That's at the dollar index. So what's going to happen to the gold? Well, gold is going to go down. This is the gold. This is exactly the gold. See, I already draw a support level. This support level will be taken out pretty soon. 1600 will be the second level, and the third level will be probably by Christmas, 1400. This is what gold is going to be. It's going to go. So this is the daily. This is the weekly. So basically, if I draw a Fibonacci level, I don't know if you're able to see it because it's yellow. I'm going to change it in blue. So let me see, in blue right here. Okay, look what the 6180 happened to be, right at this level right here. So we're going to 1400, and then finally we're going to take off from here. So the market needs to pull from where it's at right now all the way up here, okay? and then eventually it's going to take off. So for me right now, the gold is bearish.
Okay.
Why? Why is bearish? Because if I'm looking on the dollar index, we're about to basically go into the D level. And we form what they call the engulfing bullish candle right on the line, right on the channel line. Last month, beautiful, beautiful engulfing bullish candle. So gold down, silver down, everything's down.
So this silver is also depend on dollar index.
Hold on a second, because I'm unable to. I'm sorry, because I'm unable to see you anymore. 1 second. I lost you. Can you see me?
Yeah, we can see.
We can see.
Can you see me? Yeah, I lost you guys. I'm not able to see anybody, but go ahead. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
You gotta stop sharing the screen, and then
I need to stop the sharing. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, then you'll be able to see the screen. So he was asking what the correlation to all of that was with silver, which is a complementary commodity. So you can go ahead and answer that.
Say it again. I'm sorry, Angelo.
He was saying, what is the correlation towards silver? You explained gold. He was asking, what is the correlation?
Gold and silver. Yeah, gold and silver is the same thing. If the silver goes, I mean, if the gold goes up, the silver goes up. But the ratio is a little bit different. The silver it's 70% lower on the price level, but eventually, those spread eventually will catch up. So I'm expecting silver actually to go faster than the gold. Why? Because gold, being so expensive, it's very difficult to sell it. Once you own gold, it's very difficult to sell this gold at $4,000, $5,000 per ounces. Whereas the silver, which is about what, $20, $15 per ounces, will be much easier to sell once the market goes up.
Yeah, they're complementary goods, so they rise together and they come down together. Kasun, questions manada තියෙනවද? charts අර මේවා පෙන්නුවා. ඒ ගැන questions තියෙනවද?
අපේ කට්ටියට මොනවද තියෙන්නේ අහන්න. මම හිතන්නේ perfect examples දෙකක් පෙන්නුවා. dollar index එකයි euro USD pair එකයි දෙකේ monthly chart එක අරගෙන පෙන්නුවා. මම හිතන්නේ අපේ මොනවද තියෙන්නේ කට්ටියට අහන්න. මම හිතන්නේ ඒ කට්ටිය දැන් ඉන්ස්පයර් වෙලා ඉන්නේ නැත්තේ. මොකද දැන් අපි වුණත් ගොඩක් කාට 4 hour daily chart එක අපි study කරාට monthly chart එකෙන් අපි කියන්නේ top down analysis එකක් කරනවා වුණාට අපි we are not using monthly chart that much.
Right. Okay. එකක් කියන්න තියෙනවා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් එයාගේ trading style එකට එක්ක capital හුඟක් ඕන එක්ක තමන්ගේ sizes proportion drawdown එක හොඳට minimum තියෙන්න ඕන ඒ long term view එකක් trade කරනවා නම්